YouTube, EYs, daddies, coming at ya. One package mail day, Topps Project 2020. We've been receiving our Topps Project 2020 orders. About like once a week, I'll kind of get an order in. So thankfully, that's going for me currently. I received my Sandy Koufax Tyson Beck card number 99 the other week. Check out that video if you haven't already. Surprisingly, I got that card before the Mattingly by Mr. Cartoon and the Vides Jackie Robinson. Those cards came before the Koufax by Beck. So that was interesting. The Tyson Beck card did come with a card package / Ziploc. So looks like their quality control is getting better. I'm not too sure. Let's check out this package. You ready, Eli? We're looking for some gold, y'all. Gold frame 1 of 1. Comes with your Topps.com Project 2020 order. Let's go. Cut this guy.
Yeah, cut it open.
Open it. Show the camera. Show it. Show it up high. Turn it around like this. Whoa.
What is this one like
Topps
that?
Project 2020. You ready? Let's open it.
Yeah, let's open it. Yay! Open it.
Looking for that gold.
Yeah,
You like gold?
let's get a golden baseball card.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get that.
Here's the box, y'all. Check it out. If you guys haven't been purchasing Project 2020, you can find it on
2020.
Topps.com, their website. You can also find it elsewhere, eBay, pre-orders. I follow CRT Sports Cards on YouTube, and he has a lot of good information about the set and just lots of facts and statistics about the set. So super cool channel. Go check it out. So let's go. Let's get it. Okay, Eli, open it.
Okay.
Open it on the camera. Careful. Okay, hold on. Show the camera. Done, Nelly.
What? I thought we were gonna get the golden one, yeah.
Let's show the camera. Looks like they put it in a Ziploc bag again, which I'm stoked about. It did increase the quality as far as the scratches goes on the card itself. I do see some damage to the bag. You see that scratch right there?
I see. I see.
It's like super tiny right there. But it's on the package. So thankfully they upgraded their quality. But this again is a super nice card. I really like the
other one.
Quality of these cards now. The first rounds of cards weren't
Dad, I like the other one we did over there.
Yeah, you like the Cal Ripken one?
Yeah.
That's a silver one, yeah.
Yeah.
Because he's Iron Man.
Yeah.
Don Mattingly by Mr. Cartoon, famous LA tattoo artist. Thought I'd pick it up in an effort to trade for other Koufax or Robinson cards I missed along the way. This is my second Mr. Cartoon card. I have a Jackie Robinson Mr. Cartoon as well, but I like his style, that tattoo graffiti artist, old English style, so bold and clean. But there you have it. This Don Mattingly card came at a 27,000 print run. Eli's off and away. But nonetheless, one mail day, one card mail day today. Thought I'd share it with you on my Project 2020 journey. Card number 95, Don Mattingly. Thanks, y'all. Okay, Eli, say bye. Thanks for joining me. Subscribe for more. I'm getting more Project 2020 cards, so if you are a fan of Project 2020 or you yourself are collecting, investing in Topps Project 2020 cards, subscribe, follow for more, because I got a bunch more on the way. I can't wait till this set is complete. But stay positive on your journey. It's a beautiful day in Hawaii. Hope you had a good weekend. I hope you continue into the next week strong and motivated, inspired, more aware. Thanks, y'all.
Bye.